This is the Bushytop microwave tower. Good view going out that way. And somewhere out here, there's one of these rock viewpoint things. It's about 4/10 out, so we shall see where that goes. Super leafy, super leafy. Holy cow, this is like walking through a mulch pile. It's nearly knee deep. Whee! This is silly. Aww. No fair falling. So this is the trail to Millers Head lookout and viewpoint, whatever you want to call it. Parked at the Amphitheater at Skyland. There's a little bit of parking there. And this thing's not marked well at all. We had to futz around with the GPS and just start walking. And we walked up to Bushytop just to snag that peak. Little microwave tower up there. And then we're working down this thing. It's got some rocks, some steps. It says it goes down about 300 feet and then might come back up a little bit to get to wherever this lookout is. I see something up here. Goes up. We started up there. Comes down here. Tight switchbacks up there, down here. Only 400 feet away.
Well, we'll get some leaves before we get there.
Oh, another leaf slide.
Yeah.
So this can you cheat and go around the leaf slide? Probably not.
Looks like there are plenty of leaves.
All right, looks like we made it to Millers Head. And this is probably the only viewpoint where the entire hike is down. Pretty steep. It's about a 300-400 foot descent over maybe half a mile. We took every leaf in all of Shenandoah land and put it on this trail. We were doing some deep wading. There's your little handrail, some goopy steps. And we are at Millers Head. Want to know where you come from. Oh, that peak right there is Bushytop. You come over Bushytop and then you come down here. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. buzzard just squawking, waiting to eat my dead body when I fall down this cliff. Alright, so there it is. Miller's Head. Alright, so here's the trail marker for the Miller's Head Trail. And we are parked down over there by the amphitheater in a clump of grass. This is the first one of these wayside things, Franklin 35 to 42, and we drove up here looking for the trailhead and didn't see it because I guess the way the road is curved, you don't look at it. It's really, really obvious. But I guess for some reason when you drive by, this is the side of the sign that you see, and coming in and out, so you really don't notice it unless maybe you park up in the unit over there. However, so that's the trail, and it's a nice little trail. If you can't find the trailhead and you end up parked over here in the grass like all these 4 cars are, you can walk up this little gravel road that says Amphitheater personnel only, and it will get you up to the top of Bushytop where there's a clearly marked trail marker.